All right, what up guys? So I got a quick tip for you today. I have this timing light right here for when you're setting the ignition timing on outboard engines. So you can see this is where you use the timing light right here to shine on top of the outboard and read the timing and then adjust the screws to set it. So just watch the light and watch the pointer and see what it's reading, and this is the tool you need to use to do it. So you can see we were setting the timing on that engine and we were using this timing light. I just got this down at the auto parts store a long time ago. It was like 30 bucks, but they make better ones now. So you can see this doesn't have anything on the back here. They make new ones with a tack readout right here, which work way better. Here's what they look like. So you can see on this one right here, it's pretty cheap and it'll work way better than this one because you can see the RPM on the back, and that's useful because you got to set the idle RPM on Evinrude's at like 850, RPM. And then for setting the wide open throttle timing, you need that too, because you have to set the wide open throttle timing at over 5,000 RPM and you have no way of reading it. So it's all built into this timing light right here. So, you just hook this one up to the battery and then you put the spark lead right through here, clamp it on there, and that's how you use the timing light on an outboard. Timing light hooked up, check. Timing light cylinder 1. Check. So this one served its purpose, but if I was going to do it again, I would get that model that I showed you guys right there. So if you guys are trying to link and sync your Evinrude outboard, check out the links in the description. I'll put them down there where you can get these things on Amazon. Alright, so if y'all missed the video where I did the Evinrude link and sync, then check it out up here. I'll link to it up here. But that's the timing light I used to do it, and it would have been way easier if it had the little tack readout on the back of it. I could have tuned it way better. For the idle RPM, the pickup timing, with the timing light, and then the wide open throttle timing with the timing light. So that's just a quick little tip I came up with today, guys. I'll check y'all in the next one. Peace.